What's up?
What?
What are you doing?
Taking out trash.
What is this? You having a tea party or something?
Yeah, that's your double. That's your twin.
What is that, Mr. Gorilla? Is he waiting on his tea?
Why don't you shut up?
Oh! Well, what's the deal? What are you doing right now?
I'm cleaning up. I gotta cut my grass.
Oh! Holy!
Do me a favor, Mike.
Hold on, dude.
Do me a favor.
What?
I'm up in the trash while I cut grass.
Oh, that stinks so bad. What'd you say?
I asked you to pick up the trash so I can cut grass. Damn, my shoulder. So, bitch. Fucking lawnmower.
Here, hold the camera.
Shit. Oh, you think you're master mechanic?
The problem is, you're not strong enough to pull the thing.
You're right.
Watch. Boom.
Keep talking, Mr. Big.
Ah!
Gotcha, huh? Good. Da. Motherfucker's out of gas. Son of a goddamn.
Nothing?
Boom. Bone strike. Damn son of a bitch. I gotta go to the goddamn gas station. Son of a bitch. Run out of motherfucking gas. I gotta check my mail on the way. Why'd you come with me?
Because I want to film you getting gas. Whoa! Dude!
What's wrong with you?
You're pumping gas!
I don't care. Don't touch my goddamn out for what's in there on you. It don't take much to cut my grass. Boom.
Okay, let me get it.
I got it.
Dad, this is nuts.
Well, cheesy poop?
I didn't even know you like cheesy puffs anymore.
I don't. I ain't had none in a while though. I just suck on 'em. I suck on my cheesy poops. They are so tender and sweet. It's got a cheesy flavor. Okay. I thought I told you to pick up the yard.
We went to the gas station.
Like I told you to pick the yard. I told you to clean the yard. Where the hell is it?
What are you looking for? Whoa!
Ain't nobody gonna cut this motherfucker.
Oh, don't! No, I'm not letting you do that.
I'm gonna back the fuck off.
I'm not letting you do this. Ah! Oh, I'm really afraid this thing's gonna break or blow up. Oh, Jesus.
That felt good. That felt fucking good. Now nobody's cutting the grass.
Yeah, now literally nobody's cutting your grass.
You should have helped me when I asked you. Nah, not you. Not you. You wouldn't have your old man do nothing, would you?
I will help.
How you gonna cut the motherfucker down? Now I'm through! Son of a bitch.
Can we fix this?
No, it can't be fixed.
I think it could be.
Can it? How you gonna fix it, huh? Fuck it!
Stop that. It's
No!
enough. It's enough.
I wanna fix it. Good lawnmower. Now I'm done. Where's my goddamn wire?
You cut it.
I gotta fix the goddamn thing, man.
You're trying to fix it now?
What the fuck happened here? God damn it! Goddamn.
You good?
Get out of here!
Come on, dude. What did I do?
Get out of my way! I'll hit you with something if you don't get out of my goddamn way.
What the hell's wrong with you?
This motherfucker.